My new video title is Trak Art Kee Madad She Startup Abhiyaan Shuroo Kiya Awareness Campaign. Startup with the help of Trak Art. Initiating campaign startup with the help of Trak Art. Polio, a highly infectious disease that can cause permanent paralysis, has been a major health challenge in Pakistan. Despite significant efforts to eradicate the disease, there are still areas where vaccination coverage remains low, leaving children vulnerable to the virus. To address this issue, the government has launched a polio awareness campaign with the help of Trak Art. Trak Art, with its bright colors and intricate designs, has the ability to attract attention and capture the imagination of the public. This video showcases how Trak Art is being used to promote polio awareness. From painting colorful murals on trucks that promote vaccination to organizing mobile vaccination camps, the campaign has been using Trak Art to spread the message of the importance of vaccination. The video also highlights the role of truck drivers and community members in supporting the campaign. Through interviews with truck drivers and community leaders, we see how the campaign has been able to reach even the most remote areas with its message. By using Trak Art as a tool for mobilizing polio awareness, the government hopes to achieve its goal of eradicating polio from Pakistan once and for all. This video demonstrates the power of creativity and community engagement in addressing public health challenges.